Alright guys, this is Settin007 working on the G-Wagon. I had a fuel leak coming over the cowl that you can see behind me. So the little bolts, these that take the cowl off of the G-Wagon is 9/16. It's very tiny. You can see that here. 9/16. I'm sorry, 9/32. So when I took the cowl off, of course I need to get a new perch. This is all rotted out. The parts are coming. I ordered them from Germany. So right here now with the fuel filter, I'm gonna have to replace that, and the fuel line is leaking here. Elijah, turn it on, let me see. As you can see, it's leaking here. There's a hole in the fuel line there. And you can see it coming out. Alright, thank you. So looks like it's maybe the return line going back, I think. I'll see once I take it apart. Alright, so, and then the fuel line itself seems to be okay, but I'm gonna have to check on the connections and see how sturdy it actually is. So I'll be ordering that. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content for the G-Wagon as it transforms. Well, this brace here is gone.